This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 27. This video series is specially designed for the students of CSS and PMS who often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs portion of these subjects. So this video series will really help those students. Other students who appear for competitive exam for any other kind of job test can also take benefit of these video series. So in this video we will talk on 21 MCQs on cabinet mission. First MCQ: the British government headed by Prime Minister Lord Attell announced the cabinet mission on. Options are: first option is 22nd February 1946, 21st February 1946, 20th February 1946, 19th February 1946. So the British government headed by Prime Minister Lord Attell announced the cabinet mission on 19th February 1946. So fourth is the correct answer here. Lord Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and Mr. A.V. Alexander were the members of which mission? Options are: Cripps mission, Cabinet mission, Shimla mission, Indian mission. So the right answer here is Cabinet mission. All these three members, Lord Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and Mr. A.V. Alexander, were the members of Cabinet mission. Who was Lord Patrick Lawrence? Options are: Governor of India, Viceroy of India, Secretary of State of India, Member of Legislative Council. So the Lord Patrick Lawrence was actually a Secretary of State of India. Third is the right answer here. Who was Stafford Cripps? Options are: Member of Imperial Council, Member of Legislative Council, President of Board of Education, President of Board of Trade. So Stafford Cripps was actually a member of Legislative Council. A member of Legislative Council. Second is the correct answer here. When cabinet mission arrived in India? Options are: 22nd March 1946, 23rd March 1946, 24th March 1946, 25th March 1946. So third is the right answer here, which is 24th March 1946. Cabinet mission arrived in India on 24th March 1946. Which Congress leader was called show boy of Congress by Quaid-e-Azam? Options are: Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam, Gandhi, Gopal Acharya. Second is the right answer here, which is Maulana Abdul Kalam. Maulana Abdul Kalam was called a show boy of Congress by Quaid-e-Azam. When Muslim leader made it clear to the cabinet mission that Muslim areas should be grouped together to make a sovereign and independent state? Options: which Muslim leader? Okay, the question is about which Muslim leader made it. Options are: Allama Iqbal, Muhammad Shafi, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan. So third is the right answer, which is Quaid-e-Azam. When cabinet mission announced its plan? Options are: 14th March 1946, 16th March 1946, 18th March 1946, 20th March 1946. Second is the right answer, which is 16th March 1946. Under the cabinet mission compromise formula, India was to remain united and the right of self-determination was apparently conceded to the. Options are: Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Anglo-Indians. So third is the right answer, which is Muslims. Under the cabinet mission compromise formula, India was to remain united and the right of self-determination was apparently conceded to the Muslims. So the question can be asked in a different way, that this formula was given in which mission. So it can be a cabinet mission compromise formula. The question can be about the formula. So it is cabinet mission compromise formula. Where the cabinet mission arranged a joint conference? Options are: Delhi, Lucknow, Saharanpur, Shimla. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Shimla. Which Congress leaders represented Congress in Shimla conference? Options are Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Nehru, Patel, Jafar Khan, all of above. Fourth is the correct answer, which is all of above. All of these persons have represented the Congress in Shimla conference. Which leaders of Muslim League represented the Muslim League in Shimla conference? Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali, Nawab Ismail, Abdur Rab Nishtar, all of them. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of them. All of these persons have represented the Muslim League in Shimla conference. When Muslim League proposed to the cabinet mission that the two constitution making bodies, one for the 6 provinces in Pakistan group and the other for the group of 6 Hindu provinces, be set up, options are, okay, the question is about when Muslim League proposed this to the cabinet mission. Options are April 9, 1946, April 10, 1946, April 11, 1946, April 12, 1946. So first is the correct answer here, which is April 9, 1946. What was the reaction of Congress when the Muslim League withdrew acceptance of the cabinet mission plan? Okay, the question is about what was the reaction of Congress. Options are it joined the Muslim League, it accepted the plan, it completely rejected the plan, it started agitation. Second is the right answer, which is it accepted the plan. When the cabinet mission and the Viceroy published a statement containing their own solution of the constitutional problem. Okay, the question is about when cabinet mission and the Viceroy published a statement. Published a statement containing their own solution of constitutional problem. Okay, options are May 15, 1946, May 16, 1946, May 17, 1946, May 18, 1946. So the right answer here is May 16, 1946. Which Congress leader criticized the cabinet mission plan? Options are Patel, Abdul Kalam Azad, Gandhi, Gokhale. So the right answer here is Gandhi. Gandhi was a Congress leader who criticized the cabinet mission plan. When Congress Working Committee demanded transfer of power to Hindu-dominated legislature, options are May 23, 1946, May 24, 1946, May 25, 1946, May 26, 1946. Second is the right answer, which is on May 24, 1946. Congress Working Committee demanded the transfer of power to Hindu-dominated legislature on May 24, 1946. Muslim League decided to celebrate Direct Action Day on, this is important MCQ, options are August 12, 1946, August 14, 1946, August 16, 1946, August 18, 1946. Third is the right answer, which is on August 16, 1946. Direct Action Day was celebrated on August 16, 1946 by Muslim League. When Muslim League decided to accept the plan of cabinet mission, options are June 3, 1946, June 6, 1946, June 9th, 1946, June 11th, 1946. Second is the right answer, which is on June 6, 1946. Who wrote in his book Divide and Quit that Jinnah's acceptance of the scheme had been fairly prompted and was certainly genuine? Options are Pendrell Moore, R.V. Smith, Gopal Mith, Richard Mill. So first is the correct answer, which is Pendrell Moore. Pendrell Moore was the person who wrote in his book Divide and Quit, and Jinnah's acceptance of the scheme had been fairly prompt and was certainly genuine. After joining of Congress, when Muslim League joined interim government of 1946, options are September 1946, October 1946, November 1946, December 1946. So the correct answer here is October 1946. After joining of Congress, Muslim League joined interim government of 1946 in October. Okay, October is the correct answer. So these are 3 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions to know that how many of these MCQs you have memorized. Okay, see you in next video.